to teach you how to make a colorful cake. Well, on May 17, Americans celebrate the baking cake. That's why we are going to prepare this cake and to teach you how to make it. For the cake, we will need 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 4 yolks, 4 whites in snow, 3 cups of wheat flour, 2 spoons of baking powder, 1 spoon of milk, and some color. To color the cake, you can use as many colors you have. I'm going to use food coloring, but if you want, you can use carrot, for example, or beetroot. You can make the juice, and you can use the juice and not the food coloring. We are going to start with the butter. I'll cut in pieces to make it easier to mix with the sugar. And then mix. Now we are going to add the yolks one by one. Now we have the 4 colors, and we are going to organize them into pans. I like to make small balls and put them in different places, because the idea is to mix the colors and make the colorful cake. That's why the name. I know it looks a little bit strange, but don't worry, it's going to be delicious and colorful.